Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A30S and I want to show you how clean up cache and data on this device. To do that, in the first step we must swipe up the screen and go to the settings, where we look for apps selection right there. And there when we have list of our all application. Now we must look for application which we want to clear, maybe clock application, and there we swipe down to storage. To clear only cache we press clear cache and we clear it, but to clear all storage we click on manage storage and clear data, confirm by clear, and we clear all data. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.